Hi everybody, it's Molly at the shop today. I have a little bit of a different video for you all today because we're highlighting items that are wonderful for picnics and outdoor gatherings and things of the like. We happen to have the most delicious, amazing cracker kit here at the store. It's by the brand Savory. And Heather, our merchandise manager, and I discovered this when we were at the Atlanta market, oh gosh, years ago. And essentially what they do is that they put out little canisters of these delicious crackers everywhere you go. So you're hungry and you're trying them. And then you also realize that it's like the best tasting cracker you've ever had in your life. So we bought the little kits and it's really, really easy to make at home. It's actually so easy you can make it anywhere. I'm about to make it in a store. So it's really simple, comes with instructions, and everything that you need is in this little kit. It makes a great gift. It's super fun to do with your family, with your friends. And honestly, once people taste these crackers, they are going to say they're their favorite thing they've ever had. Okay, so of course, if you buy it, it comes, beautifully wrapped, but now we're gonna get into it. So the instructions say that you combine the oil with 1 package of the seasoning. So every box comes with 2 packages of oil and 2 packages of seasoning and 2 mixing bags because you mix everything inside the bag. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine the oil and the seasoning. It's so nice, like everything is sectioned off. It's very easy. There goes the oil. And this is just what makes the seasoning stick to the crackers. It's coating. And the next thing I'm doing is do the seasoning, which is the magic stuff. I don't know what they put in here. It's like the fairy dust Peter Pan used to sprinkle when you think happy thoughts with Tinkerbell. That's what it tastes like. Okay. I'm just emptying out all my seasoning. As you can see, so easy, no mess. So what it wants you to do first is really combine these 2 ingredients, just mix them well. So I'm just sealing the top of the bag, and then I'm just going this. If you put less air in than I did, it'd be easier to rub it together. But you can see it comes together in just a couple seconds. Just want an even distribution of flavor on the crackers. Okay, so you can do this with large saltines, which would be 2 sleeves. Ours come with the mini, a box of the mini, it's either 2 large sleeves or 1 box. So here is the box. I'm gonna open that up for you all. The minis are fun because they're really shareable, and it's a great bar snack, or it's just a nice little thing to have out. You can put a few out in a pretty container when you're serving a cocktail. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty this entire bag into my mixing bag. I mean, who doesn't love saltines? It's just, I didn't realize, this is a Southern tradition and I'm from the Northeast. I didn't realize that, that there's so many things you could do with saltines. Which makes sense, they're like a blank canvas. Okay, so the next thing that my instruction says is to add the sleeves and then toss the crackers in the bag. Oh, you want to seal it and fill it with air. Sorry, I didn't do that correctly. And then toss the crackers in the bag every 5 minutes until, all of the seasoning is absorbed. And they say, let it sit overnight for best results, but you could 100% serve this, right away. They're just going to get more flavorful the more that they sit. So here I'm just mixing. And I can already see, what's nice about the smaller crackers is it's easy to get the seasoning, sort of all over them. The larger ones tend to not be as uniform in their distribution of the flavor. Guys, I am telling you, this looks strange, but these are so delicious. Every person I've ever given them to, all my foodie friends, can't believe what they're eating. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit. So essentially what I would do is every 5 minutes for the next only about 20 minutes, you don't have to go crazy. So I would do that. and then I let them sit for a while. So it is, if you have like an event or you're having people come over, I would suggest doing it and then letting them sit overnight. So you could do it, you know, before you go to bed one night, and then you have it ready the next day. But they're so delicious. You probably are going to want to make both bags because they are very, very popular, crowd pleaser if you're having people around. So again, this is our little savory kit. We have everything that you need, and it comes in a beautiful Mildred Hoyt gift wrap. So this is a super cute thing to give alongside, you know, something for the outdoor entertaining or dining, etc. And it's just really fun. I think we all want to have a little fun. Hope you're having fun this summer. Thanks for watching.